Mabuhay Umadayang Holy Crossians!
I am Faith Diwata,
And Geronimo A. Tura Jr., students of Holy Cross of Davao College,
we are here to witness the students of HCDC
to showcase their talent in PE Day.
What were the main activities and events featured during the PE Day culmination?
Main activities and featured events on the PE culmination day was the bench cheering, sports like basketball and volleyball, the impromptu dance, the different kinds of dance across the world. Of course, the dance in the Philippines and the booths with Fiesta Feria and the educational booth.
What were some highlights or memorable moments during the PE Day culmination?
The most memorable moment of the PE Day culmination was the bench cheering. It was the starter. It motivated, hypes the crowd, the students who participated in the PE Day culmination. It was challenging to them to compete for each other's team. They gave their best to cheer each team. It helps them to be unified as one, to win the event.
How did the PE Day culmination contribute in promoting physical fitness and health awareness among the students?
The PE Day culmination significantly contributes to promoting physical fitness and health awareness among students by engaging them in diverse physical activities that sparks interest and participation. The event also helps students develop new physical skills and improve existing ones, boosting their self-confidence and competence in various sports and exercises. Additionally, PE Day fosters social interaction and teamwork, making physical activity more enjoyable and creative positive associations with exercise. The involvement of teachers and older students are role models further inspires students to be active. By incorporating fun and engaging activities, PE Day ensures that students view fitness as enjoyable rather than a chore.
Will I rate the overall experience?
As a student, I would rate the overall experience of the PE Day culmination very highly. The event was incredibly fun and engaging, with a wide variety of activities that kept everyone excited and active throughout the day. I learned a lot about the importance of staying fit and healthy, and the booths were both informative and interesting. That the friendly competitions and team games not only helped me develop my physical skills, but also allowed me to bond with my classmates and make new friends. The teacher and older students were great role models, and their enthusiasm was infectious. Overall, PE Day was a fantastic experience that motivated me to stay active and take better care of my health. Thank you.